Welcome to JSS Matriculation School Talavadi Social Class. Today I go to explain 7th Standard Geography Lesson number 2 Landform. In the earlier class, we have learned that the surface of the earth is not the same everywhere. The earth has an infinite variety of landforms. What are we see in our eyes? Named mountains, plateau, plains, valley, etc. Some part of the lithosphere may be rugged and some flat. These landforms are a result of two processes. They are: one is the endogenic process. The second one is exogenic process. First, we are going to learn about the endogenic process. So, what are the things will be changed in the inner of the earth? That's we are called as endogenic process. The endogenic process leads to the uplement and sinking of the earth surface at several places. The next one is the exogenic forces. That's we are called external process. Is the continuous wearing down and rebuilding of the land surface. The next one is we are called gradation. The gradation is a process of leveling a highlands through erosions and filling up of lowland through depositions. Now we are going to learn about landforms. The landscape is being a continuously worn down by two processes. First one is weathering and the next one is erosions. Weathering means is the breaking and falling apart into small pieces of a rocks on the earth surface. We are called as weathering. So what is the meaning of erosions we know? So erosion is the wearing down of the landscape by different agents like water, wind, ice and sea waves. The eroded material is carried away by water, wind, etc. and eventually deposited. These processes of erosions and depositions create different landforms on the surface of the earth. Next, we are going to learn about river. So, what is that? Water sources. The water flowing from its source to river mouth along a definite course is called a river. River generally originates from a mountains or hill places. The place of origin of the river is known as its sources. So water sources. So already I want to give in this point notes there now. The picture of the right side, river sources will be there now. So there onwards the rivers will be started, and the next is the place where it joins the lake or sea or an ocean is known as river mouth. So this one, what are the rivers will be joined that? That's we are called river mouth. The next point is the running water in the river erodes the mountain tracks, which creates a step-sided valley like the letter V, known as V-shaped valley. We are called now. So that's picture also I will give already in the right side. So the both sides are hills or highlands will be there now. So the lands will be sloped that look like this one V. So we are called that as V-shaped valley. The next one is falling of river water over a vertical step in the river bed is called waterfall. So that's also given in the right side of the picture in your slide. So that's one we are going to explain that it is a formed when it is the soft rocks are removed by erosions. Example in our Tamil Nadu Kutralam Falls across the river Chittar in Tamil Nadu. The next is plug pool. We are called that is a hollow features at the base of the waterfall which is formed by the cavitations. So this also, what is the plug pools will be there now. So what are the waters will be down. So that area we are called as a plug pools. We are called that. The next is alluvial soil. We are called. Our alluvial fan is a deposition of sediments occurs at which the river enters a plains or the foot hills. So what are the soils will be taken from this river, so that soils will be formed in the surface of the land. That soils we are called alluvial fans. Now we are going to learn about tributaries of the rivers. A stream or a river that flows into and joins a main rivers. So the other rivers or other lands will be come to join that rivers. These we are called tributaries. Okay. The next one is distributaries, means the stream that branches off the flow away from the main stream. The big rivers, it will be divided as a two rivers, that's we are called as a distributaries we are called now. Now, do you know the world highest waterfall is Angel Falls of Venezuela in South America. The other waterfall are Niagara Falls located on the border between Canada and USA in North America, and Victoria Falls on the border of Zambia and Zimbabwe in Africa. Thank you.